Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Slack for collaborating on LinkedIn content teams. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Slack for your LinkedIn content teams, first, open your web browser. Go to the Slack website. Locate and click on the Get Started for Free button on the homepage. Choose an option based on your needs. If you're forming a new workspace, enter your email address. Click on Continue. Check your email for a confirmation message from Slack. Open the email and click on the confirmation link. Once redirected, fill in your name and create a password. After setting up your password, click on Create a Workspace. Choose a workspace name that reflects your LinkedIn content. Invite your team members by entering their email addresses. Select Invite People to send out invitations. Once your team members accept the invitation, they will join your workspace. Now it's time to set up channels for your content discussions. Click on Create a Channel. Name your channel according to the specific topics you plan to discuss. You can choose to make the channel public or private. After naming your channel, click on Create Channel. Encourage your team to customize their notifications. This will help keep everyone updated on relevant discussions. Now, familiarize yourself with the Slack interface. Explore options like direct messages and mentions for effective communication. Start collaborating by sharing ideas and progress on LinkedIn content. Encourage team members to use threads for organized discussions. Regularly check the pinned items for important resources. Utilize integrations with LinkedIn tools to streamline your workflow. As your usage grows, consider exploring Slack's paid plans for advanced features. With these steps, you are ready to effectively use Slack for your LinkedIn content teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.